Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how to create DIY scar wax so you can recreate the makeup looks you've always wanted to recreate but you don't have to buy the expensive products. Before I get into this, I am not a SFX makeup artist, so yeah, I've only been doing this for fun, so I'm not a professional makeup artist. I'm going to be using this teaspoon for measurement. It's just a little teaspoon. Then I'm going to add about half of that amount of vegetable oil. You can use olive oil or any other oil that you have. I'm going to add half a teaspoon more flour. And this is it, guys. This is your DIY scar wax. I'm going to show you how to apply it. So the first thing I'm going to do when I'm applying is to wipe my face with some isopropyl alcohol to remove the oil so that it can stick better. Next thing I'm going to do is to get my scar wax. I'm just going to get a very small piece and identify the area in which I'm going to put it. So I'm going to roll that out. Now that I know where I'm going to put it, I'm going to apply the adhesive, and I use Got to Be Glued free spray. Then I'm going to get a knife. I'm going to lay the dough right where I put the glue. Then I'm going to use the serrated edge of the knife to spread out the wax. And the reason why I'm not using the smooth edge is because I want to cut down on the bulk so it can blend more into my skin. So after using the serrated edge, you can go ahead and smooth it out with the smooth edge. Just like that. Then you're going to add, if you're doing a cut, you can add another piece at the top and you just open it up like this. I'm going to apply my concealer. You can go ahead and use your brush to blend out the concealer. I'm not using mine because it's going to cause it to look black. I have black eyeshadow in the brush. So I'm going to blend it out with my finger. And as you can see, it's blending right into the skin. So that's how you use your scar wax. You can check out my Instagram post. I use this exact recipe to make that look. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope that this helps and you can create some wonderful makeup looks without having to buy expensive products. Bye.
Bye. Have a great time.